Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MNKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I have done this one before in the past, several occasions, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. So before anything else, I want to do a little house cleaning. Go ahead and get rid of that green line there. Sure, it still pertains to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint and not wanting to have a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, I just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So we'll get rid of that for now, because the main point of support to keep an eye on going forward is going to be the purple line right here, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line is just going to continue to move upwards like that. And if you say, hey, that looks like a trend line, I would say that's a very logical observation on your part. In fact, I like to call moving averages trend lines for lazy people. If you don't like to draw trend lines, then a moving average is going to quote unquote draw the trend line for you. And because this is an uptrending line right now, and if we want to picture that as an uptrending trend line, well, what does the price need to do in order to stay above a line that's uptrending? Well, the price itself needs to continue to uptrend, which by definition is what a truly bullish move is, right? So that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they really do insult your intelligence. So case in point, going forward, key level of support remains at that purple line right there. And as long as the price is above it, then as far as I'm concerned, the bulls are in full control. On the flip side of things, where are levels of resistance at? Well, this isn't really an update or anything. This is more so probably confirmation would be the right word. And the point of confirmation is right here at $1.45. I realize this means a little bit more to those of you that watch the past videos and remember me, talking about this as level of resistance. But I promise I have not moved the red line. This just goes to show the power of charts. I guess if you don't believe me, that's fine. You can just go back in the video archives and watch it last time. But I put this red line up here. And again, not to pat myself on the back, but definitely patting charts on the back. You can see right here, $1.45 continues to be stubborn and act as that level of resistance. But although it's looking like the bulls may be bracing for a break of it, so I do want to get one more level of resistance mapped out now, just in the event the price pushes through there. So after $1.45, next key overall level of resistance up there at $1.60. So nice day today, nice setup going into tomorrow. So it'll be interesting to see how the things unfold before the 3-day weekend. So we shall see. Grab some popcorn. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.